to supporting the state. The Supreme Court has granted bail to Prem Prakash, an alleged aide to Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren in a money laundering case. However, while granting bail, the apex court upheld that even in money laundering cases, bail is the rule and jail is an exception. Ashmit joins us now. Ashmit, an important statement coming in from the top court. Take us through what this means.
Well, the apex court taking one more opportunity to reaffirm the legal principle that bail is the norm and not the exception. The apex court was hearing and deciding a bail application that had been filed by a gentleman by the name of Prem Prakash. He is believed to be an aide of Hemant Soren, and importantly, as a scope of the ED investigation against Hemant Soren, he was roped in as well. He was arrested as well, and he had moved the apex court seeking bail. Now, it is here that the apex court said that this is a principle that needs to be followed, that needs to be abided by, that the courts need to take a note of that. In fact, borrowing from the Manish Sisodia judgment, whereby Manish Sisodia was granted bail, the apex court said that we feel the need to reiterate that bail is the norm, not the exception. The Supreme Court clarified one step further that even under the legislation of PMLA, even under the PMLA law, which imposes strict restrictions for even in grant of bail, even in such a situation, this legal principle will remain unaffected and has to be complied with, that bail is the norm and not the exception. That is a legal principle, again being espoused by the apex court. But that's not all. The apex court has also clarified that in case of an arrest by the Enforcement Directorate, a statement given by an accused incriminating himself or herself is not admissible in a court of law. An important clarification coming in that one cannot, an accused cannot, incriminate himself or herself by way of a statement. So important clarifications this coming in from the apex court with respect to PMLA.
Ashmit, many thanks for joining.